Well. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Manikan King Chilli competition kakan and toatiru. For each one competition and don't love. Today the video that we are about to react, it's not gonna be a King Chilli competition, but this dude, I think he is the boss of King Chilli. You know why? Because he is literally mukbanging King Chilli with black tea. I don't know who does this. Okay, I think this is the only guy who did this types of mukbang. He's from Nagaland, I think. Yes. We're gonna react to it, bro. Like I said, literally, see, as you guys can see on the screen, he's gonna mukbang King Chilli with black tea, bro. I think this is like a world record. I am so excited to watch this. Let's check it out.
चलो guys, start.
See,
जैसे पिकाचा एकदम कारपेक बनाए छे रे पिकाचा
I think he's from Nagaland, like I said. And wait a second. Wait, not this. Look at this. How many King Chilli is there? I think it's gonna be more than like 15, right? And yeah, there are some noodles too, like chow. But bro, who does this? He
kind of start with the show first ekta loina.
Oh, he's spraying. This is
aro guys, ekta request. Ekta mera friend ase, tabi moi nisna mukbang gore bhat khai. Taila channel ase moi caption de tai den add kurina ase. Please par jaina tai bi help kar dibi.
Bro,
subscribe kar dibi.
He's shooting his videos in natural.
Moi labi ajigali na funny la reels kan banai moi Facebook dikhai di ase aro jana.
What happened? Okay. Wait. Sorry. Bro, like, what kind of human being are they, man? Like, they are eating literally more than like 5 King Chilli. Even one is enough for a lot of people, and for me also. And like I said, literally he's having a King Chilli with black tea. The black tea is gonna be hot as F, right? And the chili is gonna be like very spicy, and it will make your mouth very hot, very spice, and it's gonna be like double heat, you know, the heat. See, he's having like, I don't know, bro, he's having like a rasgulla, the chili. He's literally risking his life. He already ate three King Chilli. Bro, please do not try this, okay, like this thing, because I don't even know, bro, how are you gonna stay like at night? How are you gonna be? How will you feel? And this dude, like I said, he's risking his life literally, man. Like, I think it's a very bad thing to do for your health also. See, he's sipping. Bro, I'm so scared of him. How can he digest all the heat? And thing ay thấy là hay chút King Chilli pat thiên anh yang karing King Chilli pat thiên chan chu mo hey char ne na inani chu mo, like he's having with tea, like I said. That is not Coke, that is not Coca-Cola. Bro, this kind of human being are made different, man. Like it's like a different breed, you know, different breed. These people yesterday also, when we react that cookie while King Chilli competition, that challenge one, they put zero thang salam to 0 level, you know. We say zero thang salam 8 2 3 4 like easily, but these people and all, they are like eating Literally, they're king chili like a rasgulla. And still, see, even this guy also, he still doesn't sweat. I don't think that he feel the spice yet, you know. I don't think that he feel the heat yet. How on earth did they able to do this kind of mukbang? That's how I'm thinking. Like I said, bro, they are like literally a human. I mean, different human breed. And he still have, wait a second, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. He still have 13 king chili. Will he finish it? Will he finish it? He already finished his noodles. He's feeling the heat. And he's still drinking his black tea, bro. And actually, the place where he stays is full of tea leaves. Now, I think he's gonna do it only with king chili and tea.
Challenge, so. Kiman kain ase marjan. 2, 4, 5, 6 kain ase.
He already ate 6. Bro, it's gonna make it more worse, you know, when he drink the tea, because like I said, the tea is hot and the spice is gonna make his mouth hot, you know. So like it's gonna make it more double, you know, like triple, maybe 6 pull, like 10 pull or so, more spice, more hot, like in his mouth. And he's still about to have king chili. Now he started to sweat a little bit. Tiang kan lo en hian mo kapu malo na zel kay ju tiang ringot po yan hay kan elo pon kapu malo na very ngot.
Ito ko challenge.
Oh no. God damn it, bro. But I don't think that actually the tea is hot, you know, because the way that he's drinking, like he's drinking it like without what to say, struggling, like he doesn't blow the tea also. Maybe it's not hot, right? Like he's just sipping it without blowing the tea, you know. See, I think it's not hot anymore. Yes.
So sorry guys.
What, he's about to give up or what? I think he's giving up.
থাকিছে আঠা रो 1 1 2 3 তিনটা পিস খাইছে রে আঠা খাদে না Chuta khawle parise completely.
Okay, but he's still having 60, right? I mean 6 actually. Bro, just imagine how he's gonna feel after this video. I don't think that he'll be able to sleep at night. He have to go to toilet like a regular class, you know. But hats off to him, like a grand salute for trying this. And whether the tea is hot or not, whether it is cold or not, he's having with black tea, that is making it like another level, you know, that is making it like a different challenge, which is really I respect. And he still have, I mean, whatever he is having, the guts, you know, like his guts, which is I really respect. And bro, like I say, do not try this at home, because it will take you to a whole universe, man, if you do these types of video, you know, if you do this type of challenge and all. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy it. Please do not try this at home once again. Hope to see you all again in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Una uti ang iso lauti vere. Ang su ahlawa man in pumle in nunatan pon. Who knows? You might feel you might get a heart attack. You know, after doing this type of video, bro. This is very dangerous. Yes. Thank you so much.